Hello, smart investor. I want to tell you and explain to you the meaning of land banking, or as some do call it, land buyback scheme. Okay, so basically, this involves you investing money into the real estate business so that you're able to get your capital, which is your investment, with interest after a stipulated period of time. What am I trying to say? That land banking means investing your money 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, 10 million, 100 million, whatsoever, for a stipulated period of time, which currently we have 8-month plan, the 1 year plan, and the 1 year 18 months, and the 1 year 6 months plan, which is 18 months. So what we are trying to say is that instead of keeping your money in the bank and you are not getting the maximum profit from it, you can invest your money into land banking, which simply means, and I've explained just now, that it means investing your money into the real estate industry business so that we make use of your money, get interest for you, and pay you at a particular period of time. Now, what is the difference between land banking and purchasing land or property? The number one difference is that when it comes to land banking or land buyback scheme, the difference between it to land buying is that in land buyback scheme or land banking, there is no extra fees involved, or what we call statutory fees. So what am I trying to say? When it comes to land buying, if a land is going for maybe 12 million naira, 20 million naira, most of the times that's just for the land fee. You have to pay extra fees or statutory fees, which covers your survey, your deed of assignment, and developmental fees. But when it comes to land banking, there are no extra fees involved. If you want to invest 5 million, you are investing 5 million naira. If you want to invest 10 million naira, you are only investing 10 million naira. So at the period of the duration of your investment, if you are going by the 8-month or the 1 year plan or the 18-month plan, you get your capital with interest. Now, what are our interest rates? In land banking, our interest rates are one of the best, especially in AY homes. Our interest rate is one of the best in the industry. We have the highest interest rate. Our interest rate for the 8 months is 29%. It is massive, 29% for 8 months. While for the 1 year plan, our interest rate is a whooping 45%. While for the 18-month plan, the interest rate is 72%. Now, to put it in the right perspective, assuming you're investing 10 million naira for the 1 year plan, which is 45% interest, you'll be getting a profit of 4,500,000. It then means that at the end of the duration of 1 year, your capital and interest will come to a total of 14,500,000 naira. Is that big? Assuming you want to invest 1 million naira, after 1 year, you'll be getting a profit of 450,000 naira. No bank gives you this amount of profit. No investment gives you this amount of profit. It's only real estate. It's only land banking. So that is number one difference. And number two difference between land banking and land buying is that for the land banking, it helps you for the short and the medium term, especially when you want to invest little money. But when it comes to land buying, if you are buying a land of 5 million, for example, you and I know that it will take you close to about maybe 7-8 years for that land to be able to generate good return on investment. You have to wait close to 7-8 years, a land of 5 million, except you are buying the high profile lands, like one of 15 million and all that. But in land banking, the difference is very good for you, because at the period of 8 months or 1 year or 18 months, you can cash out. So that difference is what many people are keen into. So I've given you two differences between land banking and land buying. The first difference is that no statutory fees involved. Whatever your capital to invest is what it is. And number two difference is that is for you can enjoy it for the short term or for the medium term, or like land buying, whereby most of the times you have to wait for a good number of years before you see good revenue for that your money. Now, people also ask, if I invest my money into this land banking, how do you guys make your money to pay me back? And it's very simple. We are not just putting your money in the bank to keep it. No, we are investing your money into landed properties. So that is why even your deed of investment will come with the name of the estate you are investing into. Do you understand? So we are not investing your money and we're keeping it somewhere. No, we are not what they call it. We are not Ponzi. You're right. So we are making use of your money and investing it into properties. And of course, we are making money from it. And that is why we're able to give you that 45% or 29% as the case may be. So that is for those asking questions. How do you make your money? We are not keeping your money in the bank. We are not storing it in a tank. We are used to invest in the real estate. That's why your documents and your receipt will come in the name of the estate you are investing in it, even with the square meter of the property of the land. Do you get? So what are the assurances as well regarding this investment? Because not everybody wants to maybe take that 10 million naira, 20 million naira, 50 million to come and invest. What are the assurances here when you invest with us in our land banking scheme? Like I just showed you now, we give you 3 things when you invest with us. The first thing we give to you is your payment receipts. So if you invest maybe 50 million, 10 million, 1 million, 1 million, 2 million, we give you payment receipts. Are you seeing it? Clear. Everything is official and documented. We also give you what we call acknowledgement letter. Acknowledgement letter to show that you have you've acknowledged your payments, and your acknowledgement letter will carry your capital, carry your maturity value, carry the maturity date. So you know that I invested, for example, 2 million, and to get, if you invested 2 million January 1st, 2025, your acknowledgement letter will state it there. And we also state that by January 1st, 2026, you'll be getting this amount of money with the interest. So it's stated in your acknowledgement letter. Lastly, you also get your deed of investment to show that you have a contract binding with us, to show that this is your deed of investment. It is a 7-page document. It's a 7-page document which should be signed by a lawyer as well. So your assurances is secured, your money is secured, and we have the capacity to deliver. Let me shock you. People invest hundreds of millions in our land banking scheme. So why are you keeping your money in the bank, just storing it there, and you can't make good use of it? Bring it to land banking. In Lagos State, real estate is the oil well. So if you put your money in the oil well in real estate, which is land banking, I bet you're ready to cash out. And another thing we also give you in this land banking is, now, not at the end of your maturity date. For example, if you invest January 1st, 2025, it then means that by January 1st, 2026, your money should be ready for payout. Now, not everybody wants us to pay them directly. So instead of you waiting for us to pay you directly, by the time you invest, by that January 1st, 2025, within a period of 2, 3, 4, 5 days, we'll prepare your document. We can also give you a post-dated check. Now that check is what you will go to the bank after the 1-year duration, or the 8-month or the 18-month duration. Go to the bank and cash out your money yourself. So you don't necessarily have to wait for us to actually pay you. We have all these plans ready for you. So what are you waiting for? Are you willing, or do you enjoy what you've heard? If it makes sense to you, and I believe it does, because you can use this thing as a target savings for your children, for your business, or for something you have at hand, and say, okay, in the next 1 year, I want to do this project. I have so and so money. I can double that money. I can make profit from that. Let me invest the money to land banking. Or are you someone that say, okay, I have a good sum of money and I'm not really using it for anything for now. Let me just invest it. I'm here for you to guide you. I will guide you through the process, right from your payment process to your document process to collecting of your document. Like now, I came to collect my client's documents. I will guide you through from the beginning to the end until you receive your interest, your capital and your interest. Hi, my name is Ebuka Oba from ThePropertyWey. Call the numbers on your screen or in the description in this video, and I'll be glad to assist you to start the process of land banking. So see you in my next video. If this video is really useful, it's impactful, just give it a like, or you can help share to someone too that you feel that this video will be useful to that person, or the person you know that this person will like this video, will want to invest. So share this video to that person. God bless you as you do so. So I said, my name is Ebuka Uba from ThePropertyWey, based in Lagos State, Nigeria. If you are seeing me for the first time or seeing my video for the first time, you can help me to click that subscribe button. I'll be glad you did so. See you in my next video.